Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best OPI gel nail polishes are probably one of the most sought-after products in the beauty industry, offering a salon-quality finish that lasts for weeks without chipping or fading, making them a go-to choice for anyone looking to achieve flawless, long-lasting manicures right at home. With an extensive range of vibrant colors and finishes, OPI gel provides the perfect solution for expressing your personal style and keeping your nails looking impeccable through every occasion, from daily wear to special events. Number 5. OPI Nail Lacquer Classic Nail Polish. Discover the timeless beauty of OPI Nail Lacquer. Explore a stunning range of classic colors to elevate your look. From smooth creams to dazzling shimmers and glitters, find the perfect finish for any occasion. Express your unique style with our versatile options. Enjoy long-lasting wear that resists chipping. Our formula is designed to stay flawless, keeping your manicure looking fresh for days. Achieve a perfect manicure in no time. Its fast-drying and streak-free formula ensures a smooth, even application every time. Each bottle contains 0.5 fluid ounces of high-quality polish. Get salon-worthy results right at home with this convenient size. What we like? This classic lacquer offers a vast spectrum of finishes, from creamy solids to dazzling glitters. Its chip-resistant and fast-drying formula ensures a durable, salon-quality manicure that stays looking fresh. If you love variety and need a polish that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, this is the perfect choice for effortless style. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the formula is self-leveling, making application smooth and even. This gel polish has excellent opacity, often requiring only one coat for full coverage. The wear time is impressive, lasting up to 3 weeks without chipping or peeling. Number 4. AILLSA Milky Pink Nude Gel Nail Polish. Introducing the AILLSA Milky Pink Nude Gel Nail Polish. Achieve a beautiful, translucent finish for your nails with this 15 ml gel polish. Its milky pink nude shade offers a chic, translucent look perfect for any occasion. This gel polish is designed to complement your natural beauty. Easily cure this gel polish under UV or LED light for a salon-quality finish. Get professional results right at home with a simple application. Enjoy a long-lasting manicure that resists chipping and fading. This formula is made to stay flawless for extended wear, keeping your nails looking great. It's ideal for creating elegant French nail art or a subtle, natural look. Elevate your nail game with this versatile and beautiful gel polish. Bring the salon experience to your home with this easy-to-use gel polish. Perfect for DIY manicures, it ensures a professional and polished look every time. What we like? This gel polish provides a delicate, milky pink nude shade with a beautiful translucent quality. It offers a long-lasting, soak-off formula that cures under UV LED light for a professional finish. If you're aiming for a sophisticated, natural look or elegant French tips, this is ideal for achieving that chic, understated manicure at home or in a salon. What people say. The color selection is amazing, with a wide range of shades to choose from. The gel polish applies smoothly and evenly, providing a professional-looking finish. It lasts for weeks without chipping or peeling, maintaining its shine and color. Number 3. OPI Nail Lacquer Classic Nail Polish. Explore a timeless collection of classic nail polish colors. Find your ideal nude or brown shade to match any mood or occasion. Experience a variety of finishes, from creamy smooth to dazzling shimmer and glitter. Achieve a salon-quality look with every application. Enjoy a formula designed for perfection. It's chip-resistant, fast-drying, and applies streak-free for a flawless manicure. Our polish is built to last, resisting chips and maintaining its vibrant color. Keep your nails looking beautiful for longer. This 0.5 fluid ounces bottle offers plenty of product for multiple manicures. Get stunning results in a convenient size. Trust the brand chosen by professionals for its quality and performance. Elevate your nail game with OPI. What we like? Explore a curated collection of sophisticated nude and brown shades in this classic lacquer. Its chip-resistant and streak-free formula guarantees a smooth, flawless application and extended wear. If you prefer earthy tones and a polished, natural appearance, this range is perfect for creating versatile, everyday looks. What people say. The color selection is amazing, offering a wide range of shades for any occasion. The gel polish applies smoothly and evenly, providing a professional-looking finish. It lasts for weeks without chipping or peeling, maintaining its shine and color. Number 2. MODELONES Gel Nail Polish Kit. Introducing the MODELONES Gel Nail Polish Kit, your ultimate solution for achieving salon-quality nails at home. This set features 6 beautiful nude and neutral shades, perfect for any occasion. Create stunning manicures with ease using this comprehensive gel polish set. The formula is designed for a smooth application and long-lasting wear, making DIY nail art a breeze. Explore a range of sophisticated skin tones, from delicate pinks to milky whites and rich browns. These versatile shades are perfect for creating a natural yet polished look. Achieve professional-looking results without the salon price tag. Our soak-off gel formula ensures easy removal while maintaining durability for weeks. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This gel nail kit is an ideal present for anyone who loves to express themselves through nail art, whether for home or salon use. Elevate your nail game with MODELONES. This kit provides everything you need for beautiful, long-lasting gel manicures that reflect your personal style. What we like? This gel polish kit features a collection of nude, pink, and milky white shades designed to complement various skin tones. The soak-off formula ensures easy application and removal, making it suitable for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals. If you're looking for a cohesive set to achieve natural, everyday manicures or subtle nail art, this kit offers great versatility. What people say. The color selection is amazing, with a wide range of shades to choose from for any occasion. The gel polish applies smoothly and evenly, providing a professional-looking finish. It lasts for weeks without chipping or peeling, maintaining its shine and color. Number 1. AILLSA Milky White Gel Nail Polish GB07. Introducing the AILLSA Milky White Gel Polish. Achieve a beautiful, sheer nude finish with this translucent jelly formula. Designed for ease, this gel polish is perfect for beginners. Its smooth application ensures a flawless look every time. Embrace a natural, neutral aesthetic with this shade. It's the ideal choice for a sophisticated French manicure. This is a UV LED gel polish, requiring curing under a lamp for a durable and long-lasting finish. Enjoy the convenience of a soak-off formula. Removal is simple, making it easy to change your look. Get plenty of product with the 0.51 fluid ounces size. This ensures you'll have enough for multiple applications. What we like? Discover a sheer, milky white gel polish with a trendy, jelly-like translucency. This formula is designed for easy application, making it perfect for beginners and those who love a natural, neutral aesthetic. If you desire a clean, minimalist look or are practicing French manicures, this polish offers a beautiful, effortless finish. What people say. The color selection is amazing, with a wide range of shades to choose from. The gel polish has a smooth application and a high-gloss finish that lasts for weeks. It cures quickly under a UV LED lamp, making the manicure process efficient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.